and you guys know that I have shifted into a new condo, so I was busy organizing and there are so many other things that I was doing. So we were just at home from so many weeks. So this week I couldn't be at home, I had to come out. So we decided to come here to Toronto, and this is the entire day. I'll be showing with you guys what we're gonna do for the whole day here in Toronto. So guys, our first stop is going to be Harbour Front here in Toronto. It is one of the beautiful places to visit. It has good trails, it has a way to go to the Central Island, it has good ferries. I'll show you how many things it has there. But before that, let me show you one exciting park just found on the way to Harbour Front. We were just walking through and I just observed this park. It's kind of weird, but let me just show you. So guys, this is the park I was talking about. It's called as the Love Park. It's here at the Queensway. I don't know what kind of park is this. Let us see. Inside is actually the Love Park or it's just the name.
Fibba, where are you heading to?
I am going inside the Love Park. I'm so excited to see what is inside. Is it actually a Love Park or no? So that's what I have just exploring. So you want to come inside too?
Let's see.
Let's see what kind of Love Park is this. So guys, we are inside the Love Park. यहाँ पे benches and all that है. I was searching for some people. I thought it's like a girlfriend, boyfriend or couples will be here relaxing, chilling out. But you can see the background. No one is actually here. Just a couple of people over the back. And then I realized this park is not like that couple love park. It has a pond and that is in heart shape. I don't know, I cannot like show you the aerial view, but I can give you a little glimpse. You can see the back of this thing. The whole thing, it's in heart shape. Obviously, जो top से दिखेगा उसको ही दिखेगा. So yeah, it's really beautiful. This thing, it's heart shape. I don't know. Let me capture from the camera. I don't know I can do it or no, but I'll try.
'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the spark takes me higher, sweetheart.
Just took a stop here, and Imran as usual wanna buy a cap which he's not going to wear at all. Imran, which one? I think Imran, this one is good. This one is good. Then why you want to take a cap which you are never wearing? You are never gonna wear, that I know for sure. दिखाना कैसा लग रहा है? अच्छा लग रहा है इमरान? It's good, yeah. It's looking good.
Let me just see it in the mirror.
Try. I badly wanna come to this city cruise. I don't know how does it work. और ये कहाँ लेके जाती है? Next time. But I don't know, Imran. ये कैसे मतलब? How do we go there and then, you know, what's the process?
This is going towards island.
और ये कहाँ जाती है? क्या है? But this is amazing, you know. I just want to experience this thing. This is really nice.
Same like Niagara Falls.
Niagara Falls? नहीं Imran. Oh yeah, but this looks good. I just wanna, you know, I have never been to a cruise, so this looks so nice. हमने Montreal में भी एक cruise देखा था. That was the best thing. But I don't know what is this. That's the water taxi.
This is the water taxi taking to the island.
That's they're going to the Toronto Island.
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah.
Yeah. Look at that ship. It looks so aesthetic. कितना अच्छा लग रहा है इमरान. Pirates of Caribbean जैसा लग रहा है. That's true. Where are they going? To the island? Oh my god, this looks so nice. I definitely want to try this thing the next time I come, because right now I don't know what's the thing. How do we go there? Where are they going? But definitely this is gonna be my next to-do thing to do here in Toronto. So we definitely want to go to the cruise next time. So Imran is just there. He's just inquiring about how it works, what's the process and the things. So we we are definitely coming here next time because यहाँ सब कुछ cruises and all देख के I am in love with this place and you know there's a different feeling of the cruise thing and it feels so good and so fresh. You certain time needs like you know outing like this where you have nothing much to do and you want to come out of your hustle bustle life. Farm Boy. ये बिल्कुल ही हार्बर फ्रंट के पीछे है. You can see from the back and we are going inside. So we have to get couple of things. So I'll show you. So we have the vegetable samosa here which I'm definitely gonna try. And Imran as well. Imran, come here. Do you want to try this? This is a vegetable samosa. And इसके साथ अंदर I think चटनी भी है. And they have chicken as well I think. Oh but we don't know is it halal or no. But they have the chicken samosa also. But ये halal नहीं होगा for sure. Yeah, we can go for the veggie one.
There is no microwave here, right?
No but that's fine. It's okay. हम ऐसे खा सकते हैं. No? Let's take it. It's warm only. थोड़ा सा तो गर्म है ही. Let's take this, okay?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, onion ये भी है इमरान.
Onion bhaji.
Onion pakoras.
Onion bhaji.
Let's take this. Oh, they have this as well. Spinach rolls, Imran, जो हम Costco से लेते थे. So let's take this and this, okay? Two of them. So guys, Farm Boy have the best dressings and they have the best bakery. And there are so many couple of things that are so good at Farm Boy. So we are here. We cannot buy much. It's because we have to go to the next, like you know, to the next stops. So the first thing that we're gonna definitely take are the dressings and their drinks. So Imran, what are you seeing? The drinks? I think I'll go with the pink lemonade. That's so nice of them. So this is the pink lemonade. I'm definitely gonna try this one. Which one is yours?
This is lime.
Mine is the sparkling beverage and it has I think 0% sugar.
Let's take
These
this.
days I'm kinda eating
Come
clean
this way.
and no sugar so it's 0%. So Imran, what are you searching for? What is this?
This is something new. We have corn, chili and
Jalapeno? And it's good? It's organic.
This is tricolor.
So let's just take this.
This is good.
Okay. What next?
That's
I am in love with their fruits. They are so fresh. Just look at the fruit section. Everything looks so fresh. And look at the big watermelons. Farm Boy is so. Look at the cherries. Farm Boy is so good with the fruits. I just love their quality of fruits. So guys, it is a lot windy today. You can see हमारे बाल कैसे उड़ रहे हैं. But still we are trying to enjoy this weather. And this is really nice. I just love the pink lemonade. It's kind of good, but Imran ki mango hai. Let's just taste Imran ki also. It's mango lime.
But mine is good.
No. I like mine. Mine is awesome actually. Seriously, मेरे तो बहुत अच्छी है. Imran तुम्हारी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी है. No, I don't like it. Mine is super amazing, and I don't like the chips. I don't know why. Imran, what about you?
This is vegan, I guess.
It's vegan, but I don't know, कुछ ultra healthy है. तो ultra healthy चीज़ें कभी भी अच्छी नहीं होती. Healthy चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब rare. Yeah, exactly. We did it for research, I think, to get this better. But you guys know, healthy चीज़ें खाना is a big task. Heading towards Eden Center. Actually, we are outside the Eden Center. We have to get quickly certain things and we'll leave. हम लोग 1 घंटे से ज़्यादा नहीं लगाएंगे, right? Max to max actually 2 hours, right?
Have some other comment.
Yeah, because we have to meet someone so we have to quickly, you know, rush from the place. It is super important that we have to get, otherwise we don't nahi aate. Anyway, let's just grab that thing quickly and leave. So guys, we have already taken our stuff and we are now heading towards Zara, because Zara mein, like, there is certain new collection that I need to check on if I get something. If not, then also okay. And we are leaving because we are super duper hungry. Now we're gonna eat something. So guys, we are finally here at Jack Astor and we are just waiting for the food. Basically, we are here for the dinner and we are here with someone, and I don't want to record much because you guys know everyone is not comfortable with recording stuff. So I just got my cold drink, which is a Diet Coke, but it's a very huge glass. I don't know how I'm gonna finish this. Imran, you're gonna help me with this, right?
Yeah, sure.
We're gonna do half and half because it's too much for me. So yeah, we are super duper hungry. This location is good, like this Jack Astor location, other than the ones that I have already visited, because it's huge. It has a patio as well. So yeah, I will show you the ambience of this Jack Astor initially. Finally guys, I am back home and it's super duper late right now, and without any further ado, let's just open the door and go inside and relax because I am super duper tired for the day. So bye guys, see you in the next vlog. Good night for now, and if you do like my vlogs, do subscribe my channel right now and do like the vlog. See you in the next vlog. Bye.